Do you need some ice cubes? Or do you want some technology on your freezer? I have here the solution from Icebreaker Nordic. That is an ice machine. So if you want to know everything about this product, stay tuned after the intro. Hi everyone, welcome to MADpack, where we unpack your next product. And hey, if it's your first time here, we only talk about technology, cool stuff, and also electric skateboards. So if you like this type of content, I hope to see you in the next one. And like I promised to you guys, I'm doing a video about an ice machine that produced some ice cubes. This one was produced by this product here. If you are tired of the ice cube trays, definitely you should have this product in your home. But let's open the box and see what is inside. Inside the box you have obviously your icebreaker and manuals in different language. I would like to have seen here the manual in Portuguese, because Portuguese is just the 5th language more talked in the world. In front of it you can see here a very quick guide that will tell you how to do it. This icebreaker comes in 4 colors. It comes in yellow, blue, gray and black. So if you don't like this color, you always have other options. And to take this piece of carton is very easy. You just have to take the top part, you take it out, and that's it. When we talk about dimensions, you have 23 centimeters by 11.5 by 6. It can produce 12 ice cubes and it takes 8 hours to be ready to be used. So now that I have already shown you the product, I'm going to show you how you feel it. And you have here some water, a towel, so just to take out the water that I don't want. And I have the device. So the first thing that you have to do, you have to rotate the top until the red dot goes on top of the drop that you have here. So you start rotating, the drop have to be all red. So when you do it, the top will be on the opposite way of the device. In that way you have here the space, you have a drop on the top saying where you have to fill it with water, and you start filling with water very slowly. When the water will reach the top, you know that it's completely full, and I will show you what you have to do next. So let's start to fill it very slowly. And when the water will not go more inside, you know that it's completely full. And after, you just have to rotate a bit more until the locker that you have here is completely red. So let's rotate a bit more. And after, when you rotate in the maximum, the top part will be slightly on the diagonal. And after, you just have to take the remaining water that you have on the top, you put it normally, and after you open the bottom and you take the rest of the water that could be there, you close it and you are ready to go. So now that you know how to fill it, I'm going to use it in front of you. I'm not going to cut, so you can have a good idea of this product and if it works well, if you have some problems or not, okay? So I just take out from the freezer, you open the bottom, okay? It's full of ice, and you start to rotate the top. So in the beginning it's a bit difficult to rotate, and now it will start to come down, okay? So I'm going to say that I want just 1 ice cube. One of the things they say to us to do is to shake it sometimes to go down. I'm still waiting for one of these ice cubes to come down. 1 ice cube. So now let's say that I want 2 more ice cubes. Once again I shake it, 2 ice cubes. And now let's say that I want 3 ice cubes. And now let's say that I want more 2 ice cubes. And I don't know how many more I have here because the maximum is 12. And that's it. I have all the ice cubes out. Let's talk about the pros and cons of this product. And the first one is very easy to use, is very easy to storage. Your ice is always away from everything that you have inside your freezer, and the design is quite nice. Another benefit that you have with this product is obviously the possibility to buy in different colors, and you have the possibility to choose how many ice cubes you want. When we talk about cons, I have to tell you guys that the biggest con is the price, but for that I have a coupon code for you. So if you want to buy this device, definitely check the description below, so they give me that discount code for you guys. The other big con that you have in this product is if you want to use, for example, on your living room, you will have pieces of ice everywhere. So definitely I recommend to use this on the kitchen. The third thing, don't leave this on the freezer for more than 3 months, otherwise you can damage this product. But for that, you always have your warranty for 2 years. Not bad at all. Another con that you have with this device is the filling holes inside. And I have to tell you guys that they should have done these holes a little bit larger. And besides that, if you want to fill it, you have to take all the ice that you have inside, close it once again, you have to clean it really well, otherwise sometimes the water will not go in the right way. So definitely that is a con that you have here, but I don't have anything more to complain about. Question of the day, what you think about the Icebreaker Nordic? Do you think that is the product for you? Let me know in the comments below. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you don't have subscribed until now, share this video with your family and friends, comment below, smash the thumbs up, and like I said in all my videos, you already know the answer. I see you in the next one!